Charity, how much do you love this sandy beach?
I love it. How much do you love it?
I also really like it. Really cool. Look at this beach behind me. Are you kidding me? It's in front of me too.
That is Bart's kite. And he's pumping
We're
it
on
up.
I don't know how they do it on sailboats or catamarans when they're in these tropical places. So I'm kind of just figuring it out now, but we're on a small boat. We're at 34 feet, but the wind's up enough, I think. So we're gonna try it with the water pump up. Part one, done. Well, I made it back safe and sound. I guess it was a successful kiting. I launched the kite from the boat, barely. I eventually got the kite into the air. It would have gone up at some point. It's just that the wind was too light when I started and then way too strong by the time I ended. And I got some ride time. I got like 20 minutes of ride time, which is sweet. So consider it a win. I did have to self-rescue. My kite is full of water and I have like 2 hours of untangling my lines for like 20 minutes of riding. But all in all, I launched the kite from the boat and got to kite. So that was, yeah, that's pretty cool. So, I mean, I don't know how the guys on the bigger boats do it, but I learned something, I think. I figured it out, I guess. Charity is the best. She literally filmed, brought me by board, rescued me, helped me launch the kite, and she got wet in the whole process. So Charity wins all the points for today. She's the bomb. Thanks, Charity. I love you. No, I'm not. This is for underneath. I was answering your question. Dolphins where? Over where?
I love this! Wow, it's like I can touch it! Oh! It's playing! Buddy! Oh my goodness!
Yoo-hoo!
Look at him!
Down he goes!
Oh, look at this!
we're going through Hole in the Wall at sunset. Boom, there it goes. And you can see we have a cotton candy sky behind us. It's incredible. Okay, but the best part, we just turned this corner and there's like, it's been like a cool couple of hours in the shade of the mountains, but right now there's like this warm, sweet smelling breeze just like right in our faces. It's amazing. It smells like pine, like summer, like forest, like sea, like rock. Oh, it's gorgeous.
It's been a really beautiful day.
It's pretty special. Okay, so you can't really see our faces, but I think it captures the sunset so much better. Wow.
Also, autopilot.
Also, autopilot's working again, which is amazing.
Crazy.
That's where we're heading. Hole in the wall. Love that smell of the forest.
It's so nice and it's so warm.
Okay, so kind of a double-edged sword there. We got beautiful sunset. Unfortunately, we had to time it with Hole in the Wall's currents, so we couldn't really come at any other time, but because it's September 7th, getting pretty close to the equinox, it's getting pretty dark out already. As soon as I move away, you can kind of see it's dark behind us. Still a little bit of light in front of us, but it's fading pretty quick. We're not too far away from our anchorage though. We're going to the Octopus Islands. We just have to transit this last little narrows, and then we are home free. But it is a little nerve-wracking with losing light, and we still have to go through a few shallow areas to get into the anchorage. But with a little bit of blessing from above, I think we'll be able to get in just fine. There he is. Where's your buddy? There he is. Ah. So rad.
The dinghy is supposed to be there. I came in from the beach and then somehow it got untied and poor Bart is swimming after it. Oh, poor Bart. He's always rescuing me and boats and everything. Goodness sakes. I can't believe I did that.
on our way to go find some sheeps. Sheep, sheep, sheep,
And
sheep,
goats.
sheep, 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 and goat. We're walking Jedediah Island. And it's really smoky out. Don't know where the smoke's coming from, but anyway, we'll try and find some sheep. Nice work, Charity. Jedediah sheep. A little rough around the edges. Needs a good shearing.
So hard not to follow.
So we kind of shepherded these little sheep out into the pasture. There's some kids running around. Charity the shepherd. It's really funny watching them chew. Look at that guy on the left, the white-faced one. Oh, look at how cute the little Bambi is. Sorry, dears, for sneaking up on you.
Pretty well, we weren't really. We were doing Bart.
Well, we didn't bring a board. We didn't bring any tools except my pocket knife. And we got this cool cabin. It says right in the book to bring something to put here. So I made a little sign. There's no way we didn't bring string. Didn't bring anything. So I'm making a wooden dowel. And I've already made holes in the sign. And now I've made holes in the wood. And now I will attach it to this cabin. And I'm doing so with my little dowels.
Bart.
Done.
How did you get to be so amazing?
Wood shop.
Van Time, Sailor 2020. Well done, Bart.